guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we're making puto, Filipino snack or desserts. So I'm using silicone mold and other mold for my puto. So just pour a little bit here. There we go. I still have leftover, and here's my puto. And I'm gonna show you the finished product, but I'm still not done making puto. Hi guys, so I have a finished product. It's the first time that I use is muffin tins foil. So just gonna try something new if this really works. So I think it worked just fine. And I have steaming something in my pot. Ta-da! Looking good. Let's see. I'm using toothpick to check if it's cooked. Oh, it's not sticky anymore, so it means it's done. Yep. Looking good, guys. So I'm just gonna remove this in here. Cover for a few minutes and I will remove. After that, I'm just gonna put a new puto inside my pot. So I see you guys later. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So ngayon guys ay nagluluto tayo ng puto without cheese. So meron akong nagawang puto today. So hindi ko na pinakita sa inyo how I make it, but I just follow one of the recipe here in Pinterest. So I just wanna try something different. So here's the recipe that I followed, and I already mixed everything here in my molds already. So I'm using different kind of mold for my puto cheese. So this is silicone and this is plastic, tiny ones. And earlier guys I used a foil like muffin tins that I tried. This one, so it's already done, so it turned out really nice, you know. And I have something cooking right now in my pot right here, steaming. So I think this one is already cooked right here. So I'm using stick, cook it. So I think it's done. So I'm just gonna remove my puto cheese and out my pot. And it's really hot, so I have to be careful. Just pour it in the side here. Cool it down first before I remove from my, oh that's hot, remove from the mold. So I'm just using tongs. Sobrang init siya guys. There we go. There you go. Just pour right here on the side. Yeah, looking good. Ganda. Make sure I have enough water in here. Okay, I have enough water. So I'm just gonna grab more puto cheese. So this time I'm gonna try the silicone mold here. Put inside here. I can only put 4 pieces because my steamer is very small guys. Maliit lang yung steamer ko. Yeah, this is a rice cooker steamer. Yes, nag-invento. Very small. I'm just gonna try something new here. So I'm just gonna put 4 pieces inside my steamer. So we go. Tingnan natin kung ano magiging itsura niya guys. Using a silicone mold right here. So I'm just gonna cover and let it cook for a few minutes, 10 minutes. O hanggang sa maluto siya guys. And then I'm using a stick to poke it. Make sure na kung luto na ba siya o hindi. So yeah, that's it. So okay, so now this one naluto na siya kanina, so let's try it guys. Maganda ba yung ano niya, kalabasan niya guys. So I'm just gonna put my camera down here. So let's open. Oh, look at that. Not bad. Using a foil muffin tins right here. Oh, this one I use. Not bad. So let's try it. Oh, medyo basa pa siya ng konti inside. There you go. Oh, look at that. Medyo basa pa siya ng konti dito, but it's cooked naman. Siguro, kunting ano pa lang siya. Few minutes hanggang sa maluto dito sa baba, sa ilalim. Yes, good. This is my first one that I cook. Try ko lang something else. So, ito yung ginamit kong foil for muffin tins. It works really fine. So, try natin kung masarap ba. Not bad, masarap. Soft. Fluffy. Yeah. So, kunting ano pa lang siya, guys. Kunting cook pa lang. Few minutes. Kasi medyo basa pa nga siya ng konti. Pero, masarap ha. First time ko itong gawin na recipe. Noong nakita ko sa Pinterest, ginaya ko lang siya today. Masarap. Masarap. Meron siyang evaporated milk. Yung recipe niya. Sarap siya. Wow. So, ewan ko lang ito kung yung isa plastic ang ginamit ko. Ewan ko lang kung hindi ba siya basa. Pero, try natin siya, guys. Sandali lang. Okay, it's good. So, pwede siyang matanggal. Oh, look. Oh, okay naman pala. Okay. So, try natin siya i-open. Ayan. Tcharam! Wow! Hindi siya dry, moist. Yeah. So, mga 10 minutes nga siya pagluto nito, guys. Para fully cooked talaga sa ilalim kasi medyo basa siya konti. So far, so good. Masarap naman. Malambot. Fluffy. Try natin. Masarap. Hindi masyadong matamis siya, guys. Okay lang yung tamis niya. Okay. Sarap. Masarap siya, guys. So far, so good. So, ito yung iba. Nagawa ko na. Try ko lang talaga kung maganda yung recipe na nakita ko sa Pinterest. So, masarap naman yung recipe. Kaya lang, dinobli ko yung paggawa ko. Instead of 1 cup, ginawa kong 2 cups. So, dinobli ko yung mga ingredients para marami yung gawa ko today. Kasi, dadalhin ko to bukas sa namin sa EWG dinner, sa Bible study namin bukas. So, magdadala ko ng desserts. Pwede na siyang dessert kasi puto naman, di ba? Pwede na. Sarap naman siya, guys. Sarap. So, check natin kung okay na ba itong isa. Wow, look at that. So cute. So, ginamit ko talaga ko siyang kasi wala akong cheesecloth. Ginamit ko yung towel sa kitchen. Ay, works naman. Pwede. Diba? So, i-try natin kung sa tanggalin ko muna yung leftover dito sa stick na dumikit. Try natin siya, guys. Kung luto na ba? Okay. Medyo basa pa siya, guys. So, few minutes. Basang-basa pa yung loob niya. So, cover natin ng few minutes. Ayan. Maganda siya yung hulmaan ko. Maganda. The mold is nice. So, yung natin, yung heat natin ay medyo, low heat lang. Para hindi siya masyadong, boiling heat lang siya, low heat. So, yeah, that's it, guys. That's my puto for today. Ayan, masarap naman siya. Ma, you wanna try my puto? Me? Try my puto. My husband gonna try my puto. I used the muffin tins, the first one.
Huh?
How was it?
It's good.
Sweet? Not those sweet, soft, fluffy.
It's good. What did you use, flour?
I use flour. I don't have rice. Rice flour. So that's it. How about this one? So like
So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Where are you hiding? Alright guys, bye! See you next time. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my video and my puto. Subscribe now!